Today I am discussing about cardboard record player puzzle box. As you can see on the computer screen, it is not exactly wise to make a puzzle box with cardboard. People will resort to rather violent methods while solving them, such as stepping on them, dropping them from apartment balconies, or even burning them out. And with the blood torch I speak from experience. However, the nice part about making a puzzle box with cardboard is that even if it is destroyed, you do not lose an expensive block of wood having a helplessly watch it burn in the remaining embers. Nevertheless, I would advise using the strongest of glues, and in the glue kingdom of if you plan have your friends supplies. As you can see on the computer screen, start out by cutting out the pieces of a box. The final product with a lid on will measure 14 centimeter in length, 10 centimeter in length, and 6.2 centimeter in height. Remember that this includes the thickness of the cardboard. The cardboard I used was 2 millimeter thick, but if that's not the case for you, your dimensions may be a little different. Do not glue the whole box together yet. The joints of the box allow you to assemble it to make sure everything lines up. Gluing everything together now we will make some other steps later harder. At most you can glue the bottom piece of the back side of the adjacent side. Step 2, record player lid. The disc has a diameter of 9 cm and there are 5 cm diameter cardboard circles below it to give it stability and hide the center of the disc from the left and from the top. I put duct tape on and around the edges of the disc. It make it black and glue. Cut a small area of the disc, and as shown above, you don't have to do this, but it makes easier. The needle pivot point is top and right. The needle piece is double layered and the two has centimeter cardboard circle below it to give it height. Glue a small cardboard piece of the end and needle so that it can be rest atop this. The dimensions of the needle aren't that important as long as it can provide it on the disc. Step 3, record player lid. The disc and the needle each correspond to a log and they need to be unlocked, and the needle pivot point corresponds to the left log, which prevents the disc from spinning around. Once the needle is moved from the disc can be moved freely around. The disc corresponds to a slider crank and in which the log is to slide out of the slot in the side of the box. Step 4, lid ledges. As you can see on the computer screen, you can glue the ledges to their corresponding pieces right now, but you can also wait until the end of make sure everything fits. Now it's time to make an area piece of each from the previous step slots into the. This is one of the logs. I cut out their cardboard pieces and cut the slot below the ledge as shown as in the second image. Then glue all the layers together onto the ledge centered. You can do more than 3 layers if you don't have to be more secure. After this, it is okay to start the gluing. Some sides of the box do not. This is one of the side pieces of the first step. This is where the dial of the slider and the speaker will go. Attach a 4 centimeter square to the dial, and step 6, a dial into the back, and